Hey, stock market enthusiasts! What's the newest game changer in the tech world? You guessed it, artificial intelligence, or AI for short. While buzzwords like blockchain, Web 3.0, and cryptocurrencies have been stealing the limelight, AI is quietly gaining momentum and becoming the bedrock of technological advancement. This isn't just speculation. 7 significant S&P 500 players, all deeply integrated with AI technologies, are setting the pace for this transformation. And we're not just talking about chatbots or algorithms. We're talking AI applications in sports, healthcare, retail, autonomous vehicles, and the list goes on. Simply put, AI isn't just a trend, it's a revolution. Curious to find out which AI stocks could potentially explode your portfolio? Then stick around. Today, we're breaking down the top 9 AI stocks that you absolutely need to keep an eye on. Big shout out to Seeking Alpha for sponsoring our video, and its analytics. Make sure to get your 14-day free trial of Seeking Alpha. Premium via the link in the description. You can only get the 14-day trial through the link below, so make sure to check them out, guys. First up, Supermicrocomputer, or SMCI. In a year where Nvidia has been turning heads, Supermicrocomputer has been quietly outperforming, seeing its stock soar by 400%. Their recent earnings report shows not just stability but aggressive growth, with revenue estimates for fiscal Q4 soaring from $1.7 billion to $2.15 billion. Record orders? Check. If you're scouting for AI stocks that offer value, Supermicrocomputer with a PE ratio of just 32 is a name you shouldn't overlook. If you're finding value in this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We aim to provide you with the most insightful stock market content, so you don't want to miss out. Now let's talk Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, or TSM. This semiconductor giant supplies key players like Nvidia and Apple. Although TSM's stock has been volatile lately, this may be a blessing in disguise. Right now, it's trading at a very reasonable PE ratio of 16 and offers a modest 2% dividend yield. With an admirable annual growth rate of 18.6% since 1994, TSM shouldn't be ignored. On to Symbiotic, ticker SYM. This company's stock has risen by an astounding 345% year-to-date. Symbiotic specializes in AI-driven logistics solutions that optimize supply chains, a strategy that caught the eye of retail behemoth Walmart. The company's financials reflect this surge, boasting a year-over-year revenue growth of 77.6% in Q3. Keep your binoculars trained on this one. Next, we have Microsoft, or MSFT. You can't talk about tech without mentioning this titan, especially now that it's diving headfirst into AI by partnering with OpenAI. With a massive $10 billion investment in AI, they're not just dipping their toes, they're doing a cannonball into the deep end. Now, Nvidia, ticker NVDA. Renowned for their chips, their stock has skyrocketed by 200% this year. But buyer beware, their PE ratio is a sky-high 224. Yet, their specialized deep learning chips are being used by industry leaders, making them a key player in the current AI wave. And how could we overlook Alphabet, parent company of Google? With an overwhelming 84% control over the global search market, Alphabet has been innovating with projects like LaMDA to further advance in the AI field. Then there's Tesla. Yes, the electric car company is also a key player in AI, focusing on autonomous vehicles and robotics. Their stock has had a resurgence, soaring by 140% this year, marking them as a significant contender in the AI arena. Close to the finish line is Baidu, China's answer to Google. Not limiting themselves to search, they're also venturing into AI-driven services. However, keep an eye on China's ever-changing regulatory environment when considering this investment. Finally, we have C3 AI, a lesser-known but rapidly growing firm with a $4.5 billion market cap. Specializing in pattern recognition and predictive analytics, they're an emerging powerhouse you'll want to watch closely. But before we dive deeper into these companies, let's talk about the overarching themes in AI right now. From natural language processing to machine learning, computer vision to robotics, AI is a broad field. So as investors, what should we be looking for? Essentially, you want to pay attention to companies that are at the intersection of AI and real-world applications. It's about solving real problems that lead to substantial revenue streams. Now, let's revisit the top 9 stocks and add some color to each. Supermicrocomputer, SMCI. Not only is Supermicrocomputer involved in hardware, but it's also focusing on edge computing. Edge computing with AI is a game changer, allowing data processing to happen closer to where it is generated, like your IoT devices or local servers. This increases speed and reduces latency, making it a crucial component in real-time decision-making for AI applications. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, TSM. TSM is not just a chip maker. It's also innovating in the field of quantum computing. As AI algorithms grow increasingly complex, the need for faster and more efficient computing resources becomes imperative. TSM's investment in quantum computing will likely play a pivotal role in the future of AI, making them a long-term bet. Symbiotic, SIM. The logistics industry, long known for being cumbersome and traditional, is ripe for disruption. Symbiotic's work with Walmart shows that AI can drastically streamline inefficiencies in this sector. Imagine the broader application of such AI technologies across other industries like shipping, air travel, or even food distribution. The possibilities are endless. Microsoft, MSFT, Microsoft's Azure AI already powers a broad array of both consumer and enterprise-level applications. Their AI algorithms help in predictive maintenance, customer service, and even in the medical field for personalized treatment options. These diverse income streams make Microsoft an all-weather stock when it comes to AI investments. NVIDIA, NVDA. We can't stress this enough. NVIDIA is no longer just a gaming company. They're at the forefront of AI's cutting edge, particularly in neural networks and deep learning. Their chips power AI operations in data centers, robotics, and autonomous vehicles. It's a bold claim, but NVIDIA might well be the Intel of the AI age. Alphabet, Google. Alphabet's DeepMind is breaking new ground in the field of AI ethics, a sub-discipline that's gaining traction. As AI becomes more integral to our lives, questions around ethical considerations will rise. DeepMind is exploring this while pushing the boundaries of what AI can accomplish, including potential applications in sustainable energy solutions. Tesla, TSLA. Tesla is investing in neural networks to improve its self-driving capabilities. Their goal isn't just to make a self-driving car, it's to build a fully autonomous vehicle, which requires complex machine learning algorithms to understand and adapt to an ever-changing environment. Baidu. Although ErnieBot didn't get a warm welcome, let's not underestimate Baidu. Their primary search engine technology is itself an AI marvel, capable of understanding and interpreting the complexities of the Chinese language and human behavior. Their investments in AI are strategic and could serve as a launchpad for global expansion, provided they navigate China's regulatory landscape effectively. Last but not least, C3. AI's work with the US Department of Defense shows that they're not just another tech company, they're a trusted entity. Security and AI will be increasingly interconnected, and C3. AI could be at the forefront of this amalgamation. Before wrapping up, a few general tips for investing in AI stocks. 1. Diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one AI basket. The sector is still emerging, and having a diversified portfolio can help mitigate risks. 2. AI is a long game. Be prepared for volatility, but also be prepared for long-term growth. 3. Always keep an eye out for quarterly reports, technological breakthroughs, and market trends. Being well-informed is half the battle won. In conclusion, these 9 companies aren't just bets on AI, they're bets on the future. As AI continues to permeate every facet of our lives, the companies that leverage it effectively will emerge as the new titans of industry. So don't just watch from the sidelines, get in the game. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Leave a comment below on which AI stock you're most excited about. Until next time, stay smart, stay invested.